Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to download customer data from your Woocommerce store. Exporting customer information is helpful for reporting, email marketing, and business analysis. Downloading customer data from Woocommerce helps us understand our customers and grow our business by exporting details like names, emails, order history, and purchase totals. With this information, we can create marketing campaigns, analyze buying behavior, and keep accurate business records. Now let's get started. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to woocommerce.com. After that, we log into our account. Once logged in, we go to My Stores under our account. We select the store we want to export data from. It can be one store or several. Now we are redirected to the WordPress dashboard. To export data from Woocommerce, we need to install plugins. Please note, only premium users can install and activate a plugin. Since we are not premium users, we will just show which plugins are needed. Go to Browse Plugins. In the Plugins section, search for the plugin Export Data. For example, if we already have the Export Data Customers plugin and we are premium users, we will see the option to activate it. Non-premium users will only see the download button. Once we upgrade and activate the plugin, we go back to Woocommerce and then to Customers. Here, we will see the list of all our customers. For premium users, after clicking this, a download button appears. Only premium users can download. So if we are not premium users, the button will not appear. We can select customers individually or all customers at once. Check advanced filters here to find customers by email, last name, number of orders, and more. We can see the records here. Once we click on Upload Team, the file will be saved to our computer, and that's how we download customer data from our Woocommerce store. It's a simple process that gives us valuable insights into our business.